Follow along today and see what completely free graphic design resources I have to show you. And all of the resources are not only free, you don't need to give any credit or attribution either. Also, due to many people asking me, I've actually started a Patreon, which you can learn more about at the end of the video. As designers, it's important to have a website to show off our portfolio of work. Bookmark offers the most straightforward and quickest way to generate an awesome website without even having to write down a single line of code, and all completed in a matter of minutes. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about Bookmark and design your website today. So every single design resource in today's video is not only free, but you also don't need to give any attribution to the authors. A lot of the time, graphic design downloads are free, but you need to slap a link of the download on your website, or maybe even on the print product. So I've made sure that every single link in today's list is totally free, and also you don't need to give any credit to the authors. So the first website today is Mockup World. Now mockups can really set your work apart from the rest when presenting your artwork to a client. This website has many free and awesome downloads, as well as free bundles too. So here we have an isometric iPhone mockup that could be used pretty tactfully. Clicking the download link will take you to the host site where the file can be located. But just to be totally sure, you can check the license here. And as you can see, it says that it's free to use for personal as well as commercial use, and you don't need to give any credit anywhere either. So check out the mockups that you can get on Mockup World. This next website is somewhat lesser known compared to the others in the list, but Free Design File has many free graphic design downloads for you to grab totally for free. You can source PSD files, vectors, backgrounds, and so much more. There are some cheap and nasty graphics, but there are also some really decent ones too. You just have to look around a bit. This vector download, for example, of some trainers looks really neat, and like everything else in today's video, it's totally free. So check out Free Design File link down below. Pixels has some of the highest quality free stock footage that you can find, and without any attribution needed too. So let's give a search and see what results that we can receive. As designers, it's really handy to have image sources that are not only free, but to which we can actually use them without any worry of copyright problems. So as you can see, searching geometric has some interesting results. And if we head into this image download here, we can double check the license too. And as I promised you all, it's totally free and you don't need to give any credit to the author. This kind of service and privilege is becoming less and less frequent online. So it's always great to find no attribution needed, as well as free graphics. Now if you want some free fonts to use on your work, for personal and commercial use, Font Squirrel is probably the best place to go. It has so many fonts for you to search over and download, and it's a truly great design resource indeed. You can search your font style by a name, or even just browse the categories listed. The thing that you need to pay attention to with Font Squirrel is that the icons below the font here tell you about the license. The icons actually let you know where the font can be used and also the legalities of the use too. Font Squirrel is a truly amazing website, and you can find all of the fonts that you're probably ever going to need on your work, totally for free. I've got two more free graphic design resources for you today, and firstly we're going to be looking at Videvo. This doesn't only have video footage, it also has motion graphics, music and sound effects too. So quickly to demonstrate, let's search design in the keyword search. Now coming into the desired download, you're going to be able to take a look at the license. And here you can find the direct specific license for your download. And for this footage, I can use this file anywhere I like without the need to give credit. So have a look over this website and see what you can grab for your next project. Now the last website on today's list of free graphic design resources is one of my favorites. and it's actually grown quite a lot since I started using it a couple of years ago. Pixabay has imagery and footage as a choice for download, but they also have vectors too. So maybe you need some quick and some free vectors for your next project, and you don't want the hassle of giving credit to anybody. All you have to do is look around on Pixabay. So there were a collection of completely free resources that you can use for your graphic design projects. Now, due to multiple people saying I should have a Patreon, I went ahead and opened one yesterday. So if you want to actually support my channel and what I'm doing here at Satori Graphics, and also my future subscription-based website that's launching later this month or February, head over to the link in the description box below or at the end of the video and pledge a monthly donation, and in return you're going to get some perks which are all listed on the Patreon page. But anyway guys, make sure you have a great day and also a great weekend, and until next time, design your future today. Peace.